हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम सीख रहे हैं द रनिंग क्लासेस BSc second sem lecture number 3. In the last class we have discussed real sequence, rounded sequence. So today I will discuss the limit point of a sequence. So what is limit point of a sequence and limit of a sequence? We will discuss also what is the difference between the limit of a sequence and the limit point of a sequence. At the very first, I discuss here the limit of a sequence. What is limit of a sequence? So I did in the 2 points about the limit of a sequence. First point is the definition. After definition, I explain with an example about the limit point of a sequence. Okay, let's see. So what is the basic formal definition of a limit of a sequence? The formal definition is that let Sn be a sequence and L belongs to R. Sn किसी एक sequence है and L किसी एक real number है. Okay. Suppose X belongs to R is said to be a X be any number, any real number is belongs to real number is said to be a limit point of Sn. X Sn का एक limit point, एक सीमित point तब होगा if every neighborhood of X contains an infinite terms of the sequence Sn. Means Sn का जितना neighborhood है, neighborhood मतलब क्या है? ये X है, this point is X. So around both sides of this point is called a neighbor point. Suppose here is this point and this is P and this is Q. So the neighborhood of this point is X minus something epsilon and this is X plus epsilon. So epsilon का होगा small positive zero of this small positive number. Okay. This point is called the neighbor point. Okay. So if every neighborhood of X contains an infinite terms of the sequence, so neighborhood में Sn sequence का infinite terms होगा तो X को limit point कह लेते हैं. Simply that is Sn belongs to the neighborhood of X. X minus epsilon, X plus epsilon. For every epsilon greater than 0, how about a positive small integer, a small number, and infinite number of n. Here is infinite number of n. This n is a natural number. Okay. And the second point is the very very important point. X को top limit point कह सकते हैं if either it repeat itself in the sequence infinite times. अगर किसी sequence का term repeat होते रहते हैं infinite तक, infinitely, और it is a limit point of the range set. अगर किसी range set का एक limit point है, वो this limit point is also the limit point of the sequence. ठीक है. But एक limit point, एक sequence का limit point, range का limit point may or may not be. Every limit point of the range set is implies the limit point of the sequence, but the converse is not true. Okay. Suppose we consider an example. Let Sn be a sequence as 1 by n. Okay. The range set of the sequence is 1. Putting the value n equal to 1, 2, 3, we will get to. Also this example we take in the last previous classes. Okay. So this sequence is tends to 0, approaches to 0, not equal to 0. Sn sequence का जितना टर्म है ना, वो टर्म किसी एक बिंदु के आसपास ही जा सकते हैं. So how we have to find the limit point of a sequence? You remember that in every function or every sequence in a real analysis, how we will get the limit point? We use that n tends to infinity. If we put n tends to infinity in the sequence, then we will get the limit. Okay. So today we will use the same concept, but in this sequence we have to put in a real number line. It's easy to track the limit point of the sequence. Okay. So we consider a real number line. Suppose this is origin. So is this sequence, the value of each term of this sequence, we see here that each term of the value of the sequence gradually decreases. This is 1, this is half, 1/3, 1/4. So up to infinity, n tends to infinity, we will get 1 by infinity is 0. But not 0, approaches to 0. Okay, so this put in the real number line. Okay, suppose this is, we have to prove that here 0 is a limit point. So how can we check it? We check by the real number line. Okay, so let's see. So this is 0, this is 1, or this is -1. So the first term is start from here. That means n equal to 1. First term of the sequence. Second half. This is n equal to 2. Third 1/3. N equal to 3. Fourth 1/4. 1/4. Fifth 1/5. Up to n tends to, when we put n tends to infinity, not process this side. Okay, so we see that the terms of the terms of the sequence is approaches to 0, not 0, but approaches to 0. So here 0 is the limit point. And also remember that when we put n tends to infinity, we have to check then the value converges to what point, and that point is the limit point. If we put n tends to infinity, then the value of the sequence tends to 0, that is the sequence is converges to 0, hence 0 is the limit point. So we explain with another example, and every example we put in a real number line, then it is easy for me to calculate the limit point. Suppose, say another example, Sn equal to -1 to the power n. Okay, the answer is put 1 is -1, put 1, n equal to 2 is 1, 3, -1, 4, 1, up to infinite time. Here we see that the value of the each element of the sequence is repeated. So we put here -1. The range set of the sequence is -1 and 1. So in the last point, we have write x belongs to R is said to be a limit point if it repeats. If it repeats, the repeating value is the limit point. Simply, the repeating value of the sequence is called a limit point. Here, the limit point of the sequence is -1 and 1. So remember that a limit point may or may not be in the sequence. A limit point may or may not be in the sequence. किसी एक सीक्वेंस का लिमिट पॉइंट लिमिट सीक्वेंस पे अंदर हो सकता है और भी नहीं. Okay. So we put in the real line that here is 0, that is -1, that is 1. Since the value is repeated, -1 is repeated, okay, 1 is repeated. So the neighborhood of the -1 is infinitely repeated. So the 1 and -1 is the limit point of the sequence Sn. So we told you that if a value is repeated in the sequence, then the repeating value is the limit point. Okay. So let's see another example. Suppose Sn equal to 1 plus -1 to the power n. So what is the limit point of the sequence Sn equal to 1 plus -1 to the power n? So what is the answer? The answer is putting n equal to 1, 0, putting n equal to 2, 2, putting n equal to 3, 0, n equal to 4, 2, n equal to 5, 0, 2, ... Here's the two terms of the sequence is repeated. So it directly says that the range set of the sequence is 0, 2. and the limit point of Sn is, the limit point of the Sn is 0 and 2. So we put in the, we check in the real number line. Okay. So suppose this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So the formal definition of the limit point is that the Sn belongs to x minus epsilon or x plus epsilon. Then S is said to be a limit point. Okay. So here 0 is the limit point and 2 is the limit point. Okay. So we have to check that the value of this point is in the sequence or not. So we directly see that the 0 comes infinite times. So the neighborhood also is in the 0. And the 2 comes also in the infinitely terms, so their neighborhood also in the 0. Okay. So 0 and 2 is the limit. Okay. So let's see another example. For Sn equal to n, we have to find the limit point of the sequence. Okay. So what is the range set? The range set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Here, the value is repeated or not? No, the value is not repeated. So we directly, we directly cannot find the limit point of the sequence. If the value is repeated, then we directly find out the limit point of the sequence. So then what we will do? I will do that. So we put in a real number line. Okay. So this is what? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sequence is, what we will see that the sequence is bounded below, but not bounded above. If the sequence is not bounded, then we will sure that we cannot find the limit point. And we know that every bounded sequence has a limit point, but since the sequence is not bounded, so there is no limit point, hence Sn has no limit point. Okay. So now, what is limit? Limit of a sequence. So what is limit of a sequence? पहले हम लिमिट पॉइंट ऑफ द सीक्वेंस पढ़ चुके हैं. अभी हम पढ़ेंगे लिमिट ऑफ द सीक्वेंस क्या है. Is the limit point and limit of a sequence is same? No. Answer is no. The limit and limit of a sequence are two different things. Okay. There is a connection between the limit of the sequence and limit point. Every limit of a sequence implies the limit point of a sequence. But every limit point of a sequence may or may not be a limit of a sequence. Ask. Limit of a sequence implies limit point of a sequence. Number 2, the limit of a sequence is in the sequence. Is in the sequence. But the limit point may or may not be in the sequence. Okay? So every limit of a sequence implies that the limit point of a sequence. Number 2, the limit of a sequence is in the sequence, but the limit point of a sequence may or may not be in the sequence. Number 3, the limit of a sequence is unique. But the limit point of a sequence is may be one or more than one, and every bounded sequence has at least one limit point. Every bounded sequence has at least one limit point. Okay. These are the difference between limit and limit of a sequence. Okay. The limit of a sequence is unique. किसी एक बाउंडेड सीक्वेंस का एक ही लिमिट हो सकता है. नंबर 2, जब सीक्वेंस का जो लिमिट होगा वो सीक्वेंस का अंदर ही होगा, but the limit point may or may not be. Third point, the limit of the sequence is unique. जितना भी सीक्वेंस है अगर उसका लिमिट हम डिटरमाइन करेंगे तो एक ही लिमिट होगा और नहीं होगा, मैक्सिमम हो. ठीक है. And every bounded sequence has at least one limit point and at most one limit. Mind this point. Every bounded sequence has at least one limit point. Minimum किसी bounded sequence का minimum एक ही limit point है, but at most one limit. इसे बाउंडेड सीक्वेंस का लिमिट एक ही हो सकता है, मैक्सिमम सर्वोच्च एक ही, और बाउंडेड सीक्वेंस का लिमिट पॉइंट मिनिमम है. ओके. तो बाउंडेड सीक्वेंस का दो टाइप, एक लिमिट पॉइंट एक से ऊपर और लिमिट एक से नीचे, एक और उससे नीचे वाला लिमिट. नीचे मतलब क्या है? 0. एक सीक्वेंस का लिमिट हो सकता है और भी नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन बाउंडेड सीक्वेंस का लिमिट पॉइंट मिनिमम एक होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो वी फॉर्मली डिफाइन द लिमिट ऑफ अ सीक्वेंस. सो व्हाट इज लिमिट ऑफ अ सीक्वेंस? Let Sn be a sequence. Sn be a sequence, and n belongs to R. Suppose epsilon greater than 0, there exists m greater than 0 such that Sn minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than. What does it mean? The Sn एक सीक्वेंस है, सीक्वेंस का n कम, सीक्वेंस का Sn n कम, और L किसी एक रियल नंबर है, उसका डिफरेंस जो है वो मॉड लगा लिया हम, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है. वो Sn माइनस L का डिफरेंस जो है ना, वो किसी एक स्मॉल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, पॉजिटिव नंबर एप्सिलॉन से छोटा होगा. और एप्सिलॉन क्या है? एप्सिलॉन ग्रेटर देन 0 हाउएवर ए स्मॉल पॉजिटिव नंबर, सो Sn और L का जो डिफरेंस है वो 0 से बड़ा. ये तो नॉट लगेगा. ठीक है. सो मॉड का मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है the mod of Sn minus L means if we omit the mod, then what we will get? The mod of x equal to, if we omit the mod, then what we will get? Plus minus x. Okay. So here is plus minus Sn minus L less than epsilon. So what we will get? We get this two types, Sn minus L less than epsilon or minus Sn minus L less than epsilon. Okay. So the first one is Sm less than L plus epsilon. This is what? Minus Sm plus L less than epsilon. So we multiply both sides by minus. Sm minus L minus epsilon. Sm given L minus epsilon. Okay. So we combining these two. The Sm less than L plus epsilon. Epsilon, however, a small positive integer, and L any real number. Okay. This L is said to be the limit of the sequence Sn when these two conditions simultaneously satisfied. And combining these two conditions, what we will get? We will get Sn. Sn is greater than L minus epsilon. So we write this. And this Sn is less than 1 plus epsilon. Then what will we get? So this is the condition of the limit of a sequence. किसी एक sequence Sn, उसका जो limit है, when we have to find the limit of the sequence Sn, then we have to satisfy this condition. Okay? So L Sn का लिमिट तब हो सकता है जब ये दो कंडीशन simultaneously satisfied होगा. Okay? So this condition we have to fulfill by an example, then we will get the limit of any sequence. Okay? So पहले उसका एक simple trick है, जब किसी sequence का limit, when you get any question, that the question mentioned that find the limit of a sequence, then we will strictly use one concept. We directly put n tends to infinity, then we will directly get the value of the limit of the sequence. Okay. So let Sn equal to 1 plus minus 1 to the power n. Okay. We have to find the limit of a sequence. Limit of a sequence. So first, Sn. Okay. So I told you that directly n tends to put directly n tends to infinity. Okay. What do we get? 1 plus n tends to infinity means what? Infinity. Infinity means what? Infinity. So it directly says that the point has no limit of the. So the sequence has no limit. Okay. So और इसका जो रेंज सेट है ना, रेंज सेट का जो लिमिट है वही सीक्वेंस का लिमिट है. तो रेंज सेट का लिमिट क्या है? So put the value of natural number n equal to 1, 2, 3. What we will get? We will get 0 and 2. Okay. So we have to check that if 0 is a limit of the sequence Sn or 2 is a limit of the sequence Sn. We check by satisfying the condition. Suppose L equal to 0. Okay. Epsilon equal to a very small positive integer, na? A very small. So what we will write? We will write 0.5. Okay. We have to select that this 0 is a limit of the sequence Sn or not. And then we will check 2 is also a limit of the sequence or not. Okay. So what we will get? We will get 0 minus 0.5 less than 0 0 plus 0.5. What will become? Minus half Sn plus half. This sequence have in a real number we will put it. Okay. This is 0. This is minus half. This is plus half. So Sn क्या है? माइनस हाफ से ज्यादा है और प्लस हाफ से छोटा है. Sn का जितना है n टर्म का वैल्यू का जो है वो 1 2 3 हम पुट करेंगे. पुट करने के बाद हम चेक करेंगे. इज दिस पॉसिबल? जो Sn जो है ना, Sn ये कंडीशन Sn माइनस L जो मॉडुलस होगा वो एप्सिलॉन से छोटा, ये क्या पॉसिबल है क्या? हाँ, सो हम चेक करेंगे। जो जीरो का जो नेबरहुड है ना, जीरो का नेबरहुड क्या है? 0 माइनस एप्सिलॉन माइनस और 0 प्लस, ये दोनों क्या इस एसेट के अंदर है क्या? नहीं है ना, तो 0 इज नॉट ए लिमिट ऑफ द सीक्वेंस। सिमिलरली 2 से 2 प्लस एप्सिलॉन क्या होगा? 2.5 इज नॉट इन द रेंज सेट, तो 0.5 minus 0.5 is also in the not in the set in the range set, so 0 is also not of the limit, 2 is also a not limit of the sequence. Okay, तो मैंने बोला था ना, जिस सीक्वेंस का लिमिट यूनिक है और नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन लिमिट पॉइंट किसी एक बाउंडेड सीक्वेंस का लिमिट पॉइंट 1 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, मिनिमम 1, और किसी एक सीक्वेंस का लिमिट 1 और उससे सटा मतलब का 0। लिमिट किसी एक सीक्वेंस का लिमिट एटमोस्ट 1 हो सकता है, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, Sn equal to 1 plus 1 by n. So what is the limit of the sequence? So what is the limit of the sequence Sn? So we directly put n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. Sn, what will get? Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by n. So 1 plus 1 by infinity, 1 plus 0 means 1. So this sequence has a limit is 1. Okay. So we take another example. Suppose Sn equal to n square. Find the limit of the sequence. The range set of the sequence is 1, 4, 9, 16. Is the sequence is bounded? No, the sequence is bounded below, not bounded above. See, if the sequence, since the sequence is not bounded, so we cannot find the limit of the sequence. Since the sequence is not bounded, so the sequence has no limit. So the sequence has no limit. So thank you.